Today I'm working on my 55 F100. Got a spider web going here. Gonna attempt to clean all this up. About a week ago I took out the sound system, which had 2 amps, 2600 watt. One was here down under the seat, and the other one was back here. There was 2000 watt, then 2 bass speakers, all the wiring. They did a decent job of using right gauge wire, thicken up. But anyway, I took my time disconnecting everything, unplugging and unscrewing stuff instead of cutting all the wires. So they're still here. This goes all the way to the front, goes down here and goes all the way to the front, and it comes back around here in front to go all the way across to go behind the head unit, plug in there. And the speaker wires are not on the outside. Actually, it runs underneath the chassis, so it's outside instead of running it in here with a covered carpet. So in a way it's good, but in a way it's bad because you're using like 100 feet of wire maybe. But anyway, I'm gonna attempt to clean this up.